I'm Jen and welcome to my studio. And today we're going to be doing a technique exercise. And this one is intermediate, definitely maybe advanced beginner, and you can add stuff to it or make it really fast to make it appropriate for advanced students. It depends the tempo that you go. So today for the video, we're going to be using an intermediate tempo, but if you change the tempo or maybe add a thing here and there, it can go either way. So it's like an all levels one, but for the video, it's intermediate. That wasn't complicated, it's fine. It was very complicated. All right, so it's a riff across the floor combination. So the past few technique exercises that I've done have all been across the floor because that's like the things that I'm making right now, and I love across the floor. So this is another one of those that's great for across the floor. You can also do it center. So it is a riff combination, if you couldn't tell from the thumbnail. So it's 5-count riff, 5-count riff, dig step, and a 5-count riff. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and a 7, 8. That's how it starts, and then it builds from there. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. And a 5-count riff, and a 5-count riff, dig step, and a 5-count. So that's how I've structured it. That dig step, it's just that same last part of a 5-count riff. And that's how I do a 5-count riff. I learned some other 5-count riffs this past weekend at a tap festival. So fun. But how I prefer to do the 5-count riff is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have a video on that also in the step tutorials. If you've never done one like that before, check that out. But yeah. So let's try that again. 5-count riff, 5-count riff, dig step, and a 5-count riff. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. So good news about that is that we do it again on the left. So it's exactly the same. I think Bento wants back in now. Come on in. He's been every video that I filmed today. So if you see me wearing this outfit in the video, just know that Bento disrupted it by needing out. You're so cute. Come here. Come here. And say hi to everybody. If you're going to interrupt, you might as well be cute. He's a good boy. We love Bento. All right, go. Thanks. Okay, so right and then left. Let's try it on the left real quick. So it's 5-count riff, 5-count riff, dig step, and a 5-count riff. So just to break that down a little bit more. So let's try it on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Good. So let's try it right and then left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Awesome. So that's the pattern. We do it twice more, and it grows each time. The second time is 5-count riff, 5-count riff, dig step, and a 7-count riff. So 2 5s and a 7. So the last one being a 7. It's a 5-count riff, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then heel, back heel, front heel. So when you do a 7-count riff though, the 5-count riff has like a da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da rhythm. The 7-count riff has a da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. So the difference is and a 1 and 2 versus and a 1E and a 2. So the 5-count riff, and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 2 dig steps, and a 7-count riff. And then you would do it on the left. So rhythmically sounds like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I wasn't sure I was going to go for the left. And I was like, oh, I guess I am. All right, so let's try it right and left. 5, 5, 7, 5, 5, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Dig step, 7-count riff. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Last one. All 7s. And a 1E and a 2 and a 3E and a 4. Dig step, and a 7 and an 8. So all 7s. Let's give it a shot. Right to left. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, I prepped for a 5 and then realized it was a 7 as I started it, and so I don't know if it sounded weird. I have no idea. I'll check back when I edit, but right now I'm like, was that weird? All right, let's do it one more time just to make sure we got it. Right, Bento? We're gonna make sure we have it. And then we're gonna try it with music. Right? He's such a puppy. Like he's definitely more like a dog. And I love that about him. Okay, ready? One more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. No, we're doing 7s. We're doing 7s, and we're trying it all together. Bento, you distracted me. 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Okay, so 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 7. We ready? Let's give it a shot. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Big step, 5, count. 5, 5, 7. All 7s. Again, I think part of it was probably weird because as I said all 7s, I like hesitated or something. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm gonna bring this to class later and just be falling all over the place. That means it's a really good exercise. All right, let's try it with music. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 7, 7, 7, 7. Good moderate tempo. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4. Big step, and a 5 count grip. Okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh man, I hope you really enjoyed that exercise. I absolutely love it. You don't know how long it took me to find a song that worked for it, by the way. Like there was a lot of cuts and a lot of trials in this filming, so I finally found one, so that's good. I hope you really enjoyed this exercise. It is a fantastic one to bring to your students. It's a fantastic one to work on just like ankle dexterity. It's such a good one. So I hope you really enjoyed it. I always enjoy teaching these things to you. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials where you just learn one step. We've got choreography tutorials where you can learn like a little piece of choreography to a like popular song or a timeless song or a musical theater song. And vlogs and challenges and all kinds of stuff, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. It is the best way of supporting my work on this channel because this is a free resource for you and I love making it, but the best way to support that is to subscribe. Also hit that thumbs up to let YouTube know that you like this. Not just my channel, but tap dance in general. Because if people like tap dance videos, YouTube's like, hey, we might be onto something with this tap dance. So hit that thumbs up for sure on all the tap videos. But yes, thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.